When you
Okay. Hello. We got me, her, and him. Okay. So what we was gonna do today is we gonna show y'all the new iPod Touch.
It's not new.
Well, it's not new, but
Second
it's an iPod
generation.
Touch.
Second generation.
Second generation, not the first generation, because the first generation don't have no speakers.
And it's stupid. You should never get that.
Move. So what we're gonna show you is, here it is. It got the little plug-in thing.
For the charger.
Yeah, for the This is for the charger, and then this is for the headphones, and it's also a speaker. It got the little this little button right here is to not turn it off. If you hold it down, it'll turn it off. It is to make it go to sleep. This is what it looks like. It is flat and it's square. Okay. Anyway, so what you do to you turn it on, you slide this across, and it should pop up like that. And then if you got different apps, you can just go like that, get apps. And one of the things you can do is you can watch videos. And Whitney just happens to have a video. Oh, Justin. it's called Kiss Kiss. It's Chris Brown. And then you tap it. Oops.
How y'all doing today?
You got this. Oh, what's wrong with yours?
It's
something wrong with his. And this is what it looks like. And that's what it looks like. And when you're done, you can just press this little button. This little button is a home button. You can use it for like anything. If you want to get back to this main menu, and then it also has music on it. You press to get to the music. You press this little music button right here. Comes up, and
Mama.
filters. I'm just gonna pick this up. See? It comes out of this little hole right here. And